Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Lego house ticket. Okay, so there is only one method by which you can cancel your Lego house ticket. That is, like, as you can see over here, Lego, as you know, Lego house are not non-refundable, and once you paid your amount you cannot get your money back. So if you want to cancel your, you can say, tickets, then you can say there is only two methods by which you can cancel your ticket. That is, first one method is calling method. You need to call on this number. As you can see on your screen, this is the number. You need to dial this number, and once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your ticket and all, and you don't wish to visit on their, you can say, Lego house. And but you need to keep in mind that you need to do this step for 48 hours before your entry time. And once they will ask, or you can say once they will confirm each and every information, they will cancel your you can say Lego tickets. But keep in mind that you cannot get your money back. Okay, so there is no, you can say, benefits for cancellation of your Lego you can say tickets and all. So this is the only method by which you can cancel your Lego house tickets. If you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.